This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max, and this is the most advanced Aiper cleaner on the market today. Not only does it clean the floors, walls, and waterline, but it also cleans the surface of the pool. Included is this charging base for the cleaner, and you have the charger as well. Simply plug in the charger, attach the charger to the charging base, and then put the Scuba X1 Pro Max on top of the charging station. It'll charge the cleaner for you. Also included is the quick start guide and the user manual. You have this retrieval hook for the cleaner as well. And it features 9 brushless motors. You can see that it has 2 scrubbing brushes on the front and on the back of the cleaner. And you can see it has a really large debris opening on the bottom. So this cleaner is great for large debris. 2 ultrasonic sensors on the side here. There's also an ultrasonic sensor here on the front. And you can see that there are 2 ultrasonic sensors on the bottom as well. And there are a ton of modes here on the back. Let me turn it on. This is the power button. So it starts off in auto and hero mode, which is floors, walls, waterline, and surface. And here is your mode select button here. Next is floor mode. Then you have floors and wall. And then you have what's called skimming mode, which is the surface. And then you have the cleaning intensity button here. It's set to auto. You have max mode. You have eco mode. And the life of the battery depends on which mode you have and which cleaning intensity. For example, if you have floors only, it's going to clean for 5 hours. If you have surface mode or skimming mode, it'll clean for 10 hours. So again, the battery life is determined by the cleaning mode and also the power. Also included are these ultra fine filter inserts for the canister, and these will allow you to filter down to 3 microns. So if your pool has a lot of fine dirt, this is perfect. And here is a debris canister. And this is a 180 micron filter without the ultrafine mesh filter inserts. And the Scuba X1 Pro Max will do a great job of cleaning the waterline. You can see it here moving horizontally along the waterline and scrubbing it. And I found that it had no problem navigating the pool and climbing and cleaning the waterline in the pool. And another key feature is that it will clean the floors, walls, waterline, and the surface of the pool. It has a 10-hour surface only mode if you wanted to use it to clean the surface. And it does a pretty good job of cleaning the surface because there's actually a paddle inside the front of the cleaner that will allow it to pull debris in. So if you wanted to use this cleaner as a surface cleaner, you can definitely do that. It also has a mode where it will clean the floors, walls, waterline, and surface of the pool all in one cleaning. And I consider it a bonus feature that this cleaner can also clean the surface of the pool. And let me show you the debris that the Scuba X1 Pro Max picked up here. And you can see all the leaf debris in here, as well as the fine dirt. And you can see all the fine dirt on the panels as well. Again, this filters down to as low as 3 microns. And here's one of the panels. You can see the fine dirt that this panel picked up. Included is this really nice storage and transport caddy, and the charging base connects directly to the caddy, so you can easily store the cleaner and transport it back and forth to the pool side. Also included is this nice cover for the caddy. You can also connect the cleaner through the Aiper app. To enter the network setup mode, hold the power button and the mode button down at the same time for 5 seconds. And you'll see the Wi-Fi start to flash. So I'm going to add it via Bluetooth. You can see the Scuba X1 Pro Max has shown up here. Now I'm going to set it up to my network. Now you want to select your pool type, and I selected in-ground, freeform. You can change it to any shape your pool's in, and then mine has a sloping bottom. And then you can enter the size of your pool here. And you can see the various cleaning modes. You have hero, floor, underwater, wall, waterline, skimming, which is a surface, and then multi-zone. So there are a few more modes inside the app itself. You can also set a weekly cleaning cycle here. If you hit the calendar, you can see the options there. You can also do a custom cleaning schedule. And if you link it to the optional HydroCom Pro, you can actually control the cleaner while it's underwater. You can see the battery life. You can also use the one-touch retrieval. And I'll have a separate video on the HydroCom Pro. This is not only a communication device with the Aiper robots that are compatible, but it also is a smart water monitor system. And if you're in the market for a robotic pool cleaner, maybe you don't want the surface cleaning or some of the mode features, a great choice would be the Scuba X1. It has a lot of the great features of the Scuba X1 Pro Max, but it's in a more compact form, and it doesn't do the surface cleaning. It does have the 3 micron filter. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.